In today's video, I'll be sharing of the recipe of delicious Paneer Bhurji or Indian cottage cheese stir fry. This recipe is without onion garlic, so goes best in the days of festivities and can be enjoyed in wraps, sandwiches, goes best with some hot rotis. So try this recipe, kids will love this recipe, and with very few ingredients we are going to make a delicious recipe. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel So's Food Corner in English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, to subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with this awesome recipe. So for this recipe I have a very few ingredients. First I have a medium size capsicum, I have chopped it, and few curry leaves I have taken. Ginger I have grated half an inch, and half an inch ginger I'll cut it in juliennes, that I'll show later. And here I have taken some tomatoes that I have deseeded. It's a medium sized tomato, and as I said, some few curry leaves already. Green chilies I have taken slitted, and some dry red chilies, mustard seeds half teaspoon for tempering, and a pinch of turmeric powder, and 300 gram fresh paneer I have taken and chopped it into small pieces. So now let's begin. 3 tablespoons of cooking oil I will be using. Wait till it's nice hot and then I'll add the tempering. For flavors I'll be using some dry red chili and some slitted green chili. Again, all the chilies depends upon your taste. Wait till it starts to splutter, and I'll add some black mustard seeds. You can also use the rye, the smaller version, and curry leaves goes in. As this recipe is without onion garlic, so ginger goes in. And now I'll just mix everything. This will give a very nice aroma. Wait for around few seconds and then give it a nice mix. You can see the color of the green chilies has changed, so it's done. So as this recipe is without onion garlic, so these small things matter a lot to give flavors. So once this tempering is done, I'll be adding here the pulp of the deseeded tomatoes and few pieces of the tomatoes. Rest I'll be adding afterwards, because I just want the pulp of these tomatoes should be nicely simmered and leave flavor in this oil, and the remaining tomatoes I'll be using later. So the pulp has nicely been cooking. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Basically the pulp will evaporate, the liquid will evaporate, and this oil will have a nice reddish color, pinkish color. This is what I was talking about. You can see in my video the moisture has been evaporated, and this oil is all loaded with flavors of tomatoes and this tempering. At this stage, increase the flame, and I'll add the paneer pieces that I have cut into very small pieces, and initially in high flame I'll just saute for around 1 to 2 minutes, so that the paneer cubes will absorb the tempered oil and the flavor of this, the pulp of tomatoes, everything goes nicely. And as the flame is high, the paneer will start to release its moisture. You can see in middle the moisture has been released, and again I'll just saute it very carefully. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes. The moisture will dry up and this paneer will be nicely sauteed. This is how it should look. And once it's done, you can see the base is clear. There is no moisture absolutely. At this stage I'll be adding few more ingredients. First goes chopped capsicum, cut into very small pieces, and 2 to 3 pinch of Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder for color, and Garam Masala 2 pinch, just 2 pinch, to avoid excessive overpower of this flavor. And now give it a mix. All the flavors are nicely mingled, and this Paneer Bhurji is almost done. At this stage I'll be adding the deseeded tomatoes cut into small pieces. The pulp we have already used earlier. Black salt I'll add as per taste, and frozen peas I'll be adding 3 to 4 tablespoons. If you have peas in season, you can always use the fresh green peas. Give it a mix and let it nicely absorb flavor for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame, and then you can add the ginger juliennes. Half inch ginger I have cut into juliennes. This goes at last. Switch off the flame, adjust salt if it's required to add more, and then it's done. Beautifully flavored and beautifully balanced recipe. You can see without using onion garlic we have made a very nice stir fry, and the best part is that it can be made in minutes, literally in minutes. It takes around just 8 to 9 minutes. The basic things we need to take care is that this paneer stir fry should be dry, it's not be soggy, and each and every ingredient in my bhurji has its own texture and flavors, as you can see in my video. To try this recipe, you will love the flavors. Can be used in variety of ways, can be used as a stuffing in sandwiches or in wraps, or can only be enjoyed with rotis or rice, anything you want. This can be enjoyed, different type of recipe, and as I said, it's basically without onion garlic. Do try it, you will love the flavors. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Jolly Boss. She writes, wonderful, all recipes are excellent. One can use in so many ways, in wraps, tasty toast, with idli, with hot steamed rice, stuffing in many things, and even cutlets. Nice. Thank you so much, Jolly, for your lovely comment. I'm so glad you liked my recipes, and it's so wonderful to read your comment. Thank you. Stay safe and stay connected. And for today's recipe, do try this delicious no onion garlic paneer stir fry or bhurji recipe. You will love the flavors, and if you have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.